Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Ford Transit. First, always prioritize your safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off before you even think about connecting any cables. It's also a good idea to quickly check your owner's manual for any specific instructions unique to your vehicle model. Safety first, always. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Open your Ford Transit's hood and locate the positive Jumpstart terminal, usually marked with a red cap or a plus sign. Connect one red cable clamped securely to this terminal. Then, take the other end of the red cable and attach it to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, connect the negative cables. Attach one black cable clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. For your Ford Transit, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis to connect the other black clamp. This creates a safe ground connection and helps prevent sparks near the battery. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge the dead battery. After this brief charging period, try to start your Ford Transit. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order you connected them. First the black negative cable, then the red positive cable. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.